Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about rendering. So what does rendering mean in React? Does it mean only to show your component on the UI, or there is something else? So rendering actually means that React is calling your component to build a special type of object which is called virtual DOM. Now what is a virtual DOM? Virtual DOM is a tree-like object which is formed using all the components you have written. By component I mean the tags you have used to write that component. Alright, so when you run your code for the first time, suppose this component, this app component, if I run this for the first time, what React will do, it will take all the tags and create a tree which is we are calling virtual DOM, and it will update the real DOM on the browser. This is the real DOM on the browser, right? Now you can see that there's a button, and if I click on this button, we have a event handler here. So if I click on this button, the value of count will be increased, right? If I click on this button now, what React will do, it will create another virtual DOM. So currently the value of count is 0, and if I click on this button, the value of count will be increased and it will be 1. And what React will do, React will create another virtual DOM with the updated value of count, and it will compare this current virtual DOM with the previous virtual DOM that was created in the initial run of your code. Okay, now after comparing those virtual DOMs, React will know that only in this whole component only the value of count has been increased. So in the real DOM it will just change the 0 to 1, the value of count. And this is how React is very fast and efficient, because it does not update the whole DOM when something changes on your component. It just changes that specific part of the DOM that has changed. So yes, this is called rendering, and it means basically that React is calling your component to create a virtual DOM and compare the newly created virtual DOM to the previous virtual DOM, determine the changes and update the DOM, update the real DOM. Okay, thank you. And these are the interview questions you may face regarding this topic, and let me know if you have any question. See you in the next one. Thank you.